to your school. Well, meteorologist Dave Aguilera is covering Colorado First with your forecast. And Dave, I understand we just tied the record.
Yes, breaking news.
Yeah.
Breaking news.
Ding, 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 ding.
We made it to 95 degrees this afternoon. That ties the record high today. And it's part of that triple threat, that triple fire threat of hot temperatures, dry, relative humidity, and winds going on. So look at these numbers today. 95, and of course it had to happen at DIA to make it a record, but we tied it today. 91 in Boulder, 95 in Fort Collins, 97 the high in Greeley, and look at Pueblo at 100 degrees. Lamar came in at 103. That's a cool down for them because they were only 104 yesterday. So they had a little cooling trend, I guess you could call that today. Temperatures are still in the 90s and 80s across the eastern plains. Even the mountains were warm today. Still 82 in Aspen. Now take a look at the relative humidity. And this is why, even though we have some clouds building over the mountains, we're probably not going to get any rainfall out of them. It's only 8% here in Denver, 7% Colorado Springs, 7% in Pueblo, 5% in La Junta, 6% in Grand Junction. That's part of the reason that the fire danger is so big. And then you add in the wind. We've got some light gusts around Denver, but it's a little stronger once you get up into the mountains and the western slope here. And all of these winds in the next 24 hours will get even stronger, up to 30, 40 mile per hour in some areas. So that's going to keep that fire danger really hot and heavy around here. Satellite does show a few thunderstorms in southern Colorado, Los Animas County and Baca County picking up some of those. And we're trying to get some convection going here in the central mountains, but as we showed you, it's just so dry. We're not seeing much rain. Big high pressure ridge over Texas. That's helping to keep the heat flowing in for tomorrow. It's going to be another hot day. In fact, hotter than today, most likely. And then there's a little trough coming in for Monday that'll bring a cold front in. It will relax the wind somewhat and bring the temperatures down. And maybe by Tuesday or Wednesday, we might see a slight chance of some thunderstorms firing up by the time we make it there. But ahead of it, it's going to be windy. Take a look at the Futurecast computer model for winds tomorrow. Dies down overnight and then really resurges tomorrow afternoon, especially in the mountains and west during the afternoon. So that red flag warning we have across all of western Colorado will continue until 9 p.m. tonight and then be back again tomorrow. But then we add in a big chunk of eastern Colorado in this as well. And if you look at Denver here, our foothills to the west and to the south, the Palmer Divide area in the red flag warning, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning through 10 p.m. tomorrow night. And there's just not much moisture to be had. We'll have a few passing clouds overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. And then by afternoon, there we go. A couple of clouds in the afternoon, otherwise mostly sunny, and the heat goes on. Overnight low tonight should be about 30s and 40s in the mountains, 50s and 60s here in the lower elevations. And there's the heat again, 90s and 100s here in the east, 70s and 80s in the mountains, and we'll be in the 90s and 80s out there on the western side of the map. So for tonight, partly cloudy, mild night, about 62 for the overnight low. Mostly sunny, hazy tomorrow, a little of that smoke making it up from the southwest. Hot and breezy, 96 at DIA, 98 downtown. The record tomorrow is 99. So I don't think we'll have a record tomorrow, but it will be close. And then we drop into the 80s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, back to 90 on Thursday. But once we get to the middle of the week, we at least get a 10% chance of some isolated thunderstorms by then, and that will be good.
We'll take it. Thank you, Dave. Well, a young mother was shocked when she was